Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with our next topic, that is Mendel's experimental techniques. Okay, and in this topic we will be showing that how the Mendel's experiment came into existence and what are the characteristic features he has considered. Okay, so let's start. His breeding experiments contain basically three steps. तीन स्टेप में उन्होंने ये ब्रीडिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट पूरा परफॉर्म किया. First one was selection of pure parent plant. So regarding this one, he has taken the pure breeding characters. That pure characters he has taken, like I have shown you in the previous video, that tall was contrast with the dwarf one, white with violet, and yellow with the green, wrinkled with round. Like this, he has taken the pure characters. Okay, and then he has crossed in between those pure parent characters, and after that whatever the characteristic features he got in the F1 generation, he has done the self crossing. That we will proceed one by one. And second, in the picture is the hybridization of pure plant. प्योर प्लांट से हाइब्रिड बनाना कैसे है, फिर हाइब्रिड जो बना है उसके बीच में सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन कराएंगे. तो ये तीन स्टेप है. सिलेक्शन ऑफ प्योर पेरेंट प्लांट, सबसे पहला प्योर पेरेंट प्लांट को देखा जाए, फिर उनके बीच में क्रॉस कराया जाए, फिर हाइब्रिडाइजेशन किया जाएगा. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स हाइब्रिडाइजेशन जो होगा उसके बीच में हाइब्रिड जो होंगे सेल्फ क्रॉसिंग कराए जाएंगे. सो वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोसीड फर्दर. First one is the selection of pure parent plant. Okay, so 7 traits noted by him were true breeding and passed on from parent to offspring. That 7 traits we have already discussed. I have given you the example also in the previous section of this video. And he raised seeds by self-pollination from pea plants having different traits and sowed them in his garden. तो उन्होंने self pollination करा के pure line develop करवाई है. ठीक है, so that pure line seeds he has taken for performing his experiment. The plant grew from these seeds showed that each trait of 7 characters has handed down by the parent to the offspring. तो उसमें ये कराया, प्योर लाइन डेवलप करने से, सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन करने से उसका फर्दर ये रिजल्ट आया कि वट एवर द ऑफस्प्रिंग ही गॉट दैट वाज हैविंग द प्योर पेरेंटल कैरेक्टर्स. सीड्स फ्रॉम टॉल प्लांट प्रोड्यूस टॉल प्लांट्स. तो टॉल प्लांट्स के सीड्स ने टॉल प्लांट ही प्रोड्यूस किया, येलो वाले ने येलो ही सीड प्रोड्यूस किया, एंड सो ऑन वट एवर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स यू कैन कंसीडर. Mendel called each of these a pure traits. तो क्योंकि सेल्फ क्रॉस से ही डेवलप हुए थे ये, whatever the characters he chose, तो that is the reason he has considered it as a pure traits. Now, second in the picture is a hybridization of pure plant. वो जो pure plants आपने self cross करा कर develop कराए, अब उनके बीच में आप hybrid बनाने जा रहे हो. Now see, crossing or mating of two varieties of plants or animal is known as hybridization. दो अलग varieties को mix करना क्या कहलाता है? Crossing. In this experiment, he crossed pure plants having contrasting traits of the character. Example, tall and dwarf. Flowers of one plant were emasculated and pollens from the flower of another plant were dusted over the stigma of the former. इनमें क्या किया इन्होंने सेल्फ क्रॉसिंग ना हो उसके लिए क्या किया? He has removed the male part of the flower and he has taken the pollen grains from the other flower so as to dust on that one, on the pistil of that flower, which emasculation he has performed. Okay, so because he is trying to do the hybridization, so for that he has to do the crossing from the other plant. Self pollination should not be there. Then it is kept enclosed in paper bags from the very beginning to avoid entry of unwanted pollens. So unwanted pollens को आने से रोका गया because he want to dust a particular sort of pollen on the pistil. The seed formed by crossing the plants were collected and plants raised from them. Next, अब उनमें से जो seeds develop होंगी, he has collected and he has raised new plant from that collected seeds. They produced hybrid constituted first generation. अभी जो hybrid develop हुए हैं, they will be considered as a first generation hybrid. Okay, the first generation of Mendel's cross was named the first filial generation, that is F1. So in this picture you can see that here is a emasculation experiment. They are parents and then this is going to be closed. Afterwards the pollen from the other flower is going to be dusted on the pistil. Then they are going to develop seeds, whatever the seeds he will get, that seeds he is going to sow, and then he is going to get the hybrids. These plants are the hybrids. Now next is the self-pollination in hybrid. This is the third step process. Hybrids so you got in the F1 generation. Now these hybrids are going to do the self-crossing. That means crossing in between the offspring of the same parent. The hybrid plants of F1 generation were subjected to self-pollination. Flowers were enclosed in paper bags to keep out foreign pollen. Foreign pollens को आने से रोकने के लिए क्या करेंगे? We are going to close the flower in a paper bag. The seeds produced were collected and sown. The whatever now seeds produced by them are going to be collected and they will be sown again. And now they produce second generation named second filial generation. Now whatever the product you got on sowing those seeds, it will be considered as a F2 generation. Now self pollination in F2. अब F2 के बीच में अगर self pollination फिर से करा दिया जाता है, then it is going to be the third generation, which will be termed as a third filial generation, that is F3, and so on. If you are going to cross in between the F3, then it will be F4. Now next one, inheritance of one gene. So now we are going to talk about how one gene is going to inherit. Now this is what is the content of Mendel's one gene law. That is what we are going to see now in the form of law of dominance. That laws we will be doing separately in the next video. But these are the basic concept which you are going to get in the inheritance of one gene. And next one is the law of dominance, okay, that we will be continuing in the next video. Let's see what is inheritance of one gene. So यहाँ पे एक जीन का inheritance करेंगे. Character or the trait which we have taken is height. ठीक है, अभी हमने जो यहाँ पे करेक्टर लिया है वो हाइट है. And now we have taken only one character, so whatever the cross we are going to perform over here is considered as a mono hybrid cross. Mono मतलब single, ठीक है. Now breeding experiment dealing with a single character is called mono hybrid cross. तो ऐसा experimental cross जिसके बीच में एक character consider किया गया, only one character has been taken, that is the reason it will be termed as a monohybrid cross. And in this experiment Mendel considered size of the stem. This is very important point. You must be thinking कि यहाँ पे तो tall और dwarf दो character दिए हैं, but how come you are saying that only one? Actually ये एक character है, that is size, and these two are alleles. One is tall, another is dwarf. ठीक है, allele मतलब contrasting character. Okay, but common character क्या है? We are talking about the size. Size of what? Size of stem. Now F1 generation अब इनमें से कैसे आएगी? You are going to make a cross in between the tall and the dwarf plant. Pea plant. Okay, then this is the first generation. These are the parents. When we are talking about the parent, then parent will be written as a capital P. And this one is the first generation, because these parents are going to cross, and whatever the progeny or the offspring they will be producing, they will be considered as the F1 generation. You can see that the generation produced in the F1 is tall. All the plants will be tall. Okay, so he cross pollinated a pure tall pea plant and a pure dwarf pea plant. He called them parent generation. This is the parent generation. He collected the seeds produced by this cross and grew plants from them. These are the plant grown from the seed of this one. Okay, all these plants were found to be tall and constituted the F1 generation. तो ये है आपकी F1 generation pea plant की, ठीक है. Now next one. This F1 generation, whatever you got was tall. Now you are going to make a cross in between these two, means the progeny of the same parent. So when you are going to make the cross in between the progeny of same parents, then it will be known as self cross or selfing. So self cross कराएंगे हम, तो here you are able to get the F2 generation. इनके सीड्स जो होंगे ग्रो कराने पे F2 generation देंगे आपको. Here you are able to see that 3 plants out of 4 are tall and 1 is dwarf, means short heighted. So this is what is F2 generation, which will come under 3:1 ratio. Okay, let's proceed. The F1 plants were pollinated among themselves or were allowed to undergo self-pollination. The flowers were kept covered so as to avoid contamination with unwanted pollens. तो covering क्यों करेंगे? Unwanted pollens उस पे आकर के germinate ना कर पाए. The seeds produced by all F1 plants were again collected and plants grown from them. These plants are known as F2 generation, which you will be getting in the format of 3:1, 3 tall, 1 dwarf. This indicate that the F1 plant had a trait of tallness as well as dwarfness. इससे ये जो F2 generation में आपको 3:1 का रेशियो मिलता है, from that only you will be able to identify that ये जो पेरेंट थे उनमें टॉलनेस और डॉर्फनेस का करेक्टर दोनों ही थे, ना कि सिर्फ टॉलनेस का. क्योंकि अगर डॉर्फनेस का करेक्टर नहीं होता तो सेल्फिंग कराने पे आपको 3:1 में जो 1 है ये डॉर्फ कैसे मिलता. Such genetically mixed offspring produced by crossing two pure parents having contrasting traits are called hybrids. अभी ये जो आपको मिले हैं ये क्या है आपके hybrids. Now F3 generation. The seeds produced by all the F2 plants were collected and plants grown from them. अब F2 से seeds collect करके उनको grow कराया गया and the plants raised from F3 generation. अब जो आई next generation वो F3 generation आई. The dwarf plant ब्रेड ट्रू दे प्रोड्यूस ड्वार्फ प्लांट्स ऑन सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन. ड्वार्फ प्लांट का क्रॉसओवर ड्वार्फ के साथ में कराया जाएगा यानी कि सेल्फिंग कराने पे. तो व्हाट इट विल बी प्रोड्यूसिंग, इट विल बी प्रोड्यूसिंग ओनली ड्वार्फ प्लांट और उनमें कोई भी टॉलनेस का जीन नहीं था तो दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू गिव द tallness in the plant. And of the tall plant only one third plant breed true and were thus pure for tallness. अभी अगर tall plant का tall plant से cross कराएंगे तो few of the plants will be having the tall character, another will be having the dwarfness also, because if they are going to have a that heterozygous gene means one is in the capital T, another in the small t. Then if you are going to cross in between the other capital T and small t, that is uppercase T and the lowercase t, then definitely you will be having some dwarf plant also and tall plant also. The other two-third plants behave like the parent of F1 generation, giving rise to tall and dwarf plants in the ratio of 3:1. तो टॉल प्लांट्स के बीच में जब आप क्रॉस कराते हो F2 में जो आए हैं, ठीक है, उनमें जो हेट्रोजाइगस होंगे, अगर हेट्रोजाइगस के बीच में क्रॉस कराएंगे देन पॉसिबिलिटी उसमें क्या आएगी कि टॉलनेस और डॉर्फनेस दोनों तरीके के प्लांट्स प्रोड्यूस किए जाएंगे. ठीक है, but when you are going to cross in between two dwarf plant then there is no possibility of getting the tall plant. So this was about 3 generation F1, F2 and F3 generation. Now you came to know that these are the 3 generation and how come they came into the existence. Now in the next video we are going to start directly with Mendel's first law, that is law of dominance. By that time do this much. Thank you.